Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Cuddy dropping another video for you guys here today. So right now I am in my Nissan Altima and I want to share with you something that I have discovered on my door panel here, and I feel like would be very helpful for anybody who owns a Nissan Altima like I do. So if you have a 2015, 16, 17 or 18 and you have a different model, don't sweat it. This video will help you as well. But in order for this to work, you need to have the same door panel that I have. It could be a different style, but does have to look like mine in order for this to work. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about in a minute. Let me go ahead and turn to my door panel here so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. So whenever you're doing an interior cleaning and you come to your door panel and you always come across this little piece right here, you're wondering what it is. This is your courtesy lamp right here. Right now my courtesy lamp is just a plastic cover. It doesn't light up at night. At this point it's useless. There's no need to do anything to it, and it's just basically just sitting there for decoration. But I was a little bit more curious than that because I wanted to know what's really behind this plastic cover. So I went up and opened it, and when I did open this, I was surprised to see that it actually has a wire connector inside. So when I saw this wire connector inside, that means that I can actually update my door panel to a new edition door panel which already has a courtesy lamp on it. So all I had to do is just find the right part that actually matches for my car, and the job is done here. So I went online and trying to see if I can find the part that I needed for my Nissan, and I couldn't find any. And I went to the dealership and I got the part number that I needed. I was gonna buy it over there, but then I changed my mind because they were so expensive. So I went back online, put the part number, and voila, I was able to find the exact part number for my Nissan Altima. And this right here will work exactly for my Nissan, and it will also work for any other Nissan, especially the ones that I named at the beginning of the video, the 2015, 16, 17 or 18 with different model. It will work for your car as well, but this one right here is the exact part that you need for it to work. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this plastic cover off, and I'm gonna replace it with the one that I already purchased. And I got two of them, one for my passenger side and one for my driver's side. So again, it's very easy to do. All you gotta do is just take out this little piece right here and then replace it with the one that you just purchased. But I like to switch things up here because I like to do something different. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace the light bulb that came with the courtesy lamp. I'm gonna replace it with a LED light bulb and see the difference. But before I do that, I'm gonna put it with the original light bulb that came with the lamp. And I'm gonna go ahead and install it so you can see how it looks then, and then I'm gonna put the LED light bulb inside, and we're gonna see the difference after that too. So let's go ahead and start with this installation. I'm very excited. First thing we need to do is go ahead and disconnect the connector from the plastic cover, and then we can go to the next step. Now that this is disconnected, all I gotta do is grab the one that I purchased, and I'm gonna get that one out of the bag. And once it's out of the bag, I'm just gonna connect my new courtesy lamp to the connector, connect both of them together, and see if it's actually gonna light up. And once it lights up, I'm just gonna put it back inside of the door panel, and we're done here. So let's go ahead and connect this and see if it's working. There you go, guys, it is working. As you guys can see, my courtesy lamp is on. That means that it's good to go. All I gotta do now is put it back inside of the door panel, and after that I would just to show you how it looks on the door panel. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take the courtesy lamp back out of the door panel, and I'm gonna change the light bulb to a LED brighter and better light bulb. So right now it looks good. Now all I gotta do is just replace the light bulb. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright guys, so this is the light bulb that I will be using for my courtesy lamp. This is a LED. I got this on Amazon. I've seen some really good reviews about it. I decided to get it. Hopefully it won't disappoint. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and connect my light bulb inside of the courtesy lamp assembly that I have here. Make sure that it fits, and after that all I gotta do is simple, just connect it back to the door panel and just see if it's gonna light up. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. So right now it looks like it fits. So all I gotta do is just go ahead and connect it to the door panel and actually see if it's gonna light up. Oh wow, damn, that was really bright. This flash almost got me blind for a second. Alright, so all I gotta do now is just go ahead and connect it back inside of the door panel, and the job is complete here. I was able to update my door panel from the old edition to the new edition Nissan Altima door panel, and it didn't cost me much. I didn't have to buy a brand new car for it. Just bought the part and that's it. Now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and replicate the same thing I did on the driver's side to the passenger side. And again, it's really easy. I just gotta go ahead and take out this plastic cover, deattach it from the connector, and go ahead and connect my new courtesy lamp on the connector and put it inside the door panel. Before I put it, I'm gonna change the light bulb. Of course, I'm gonna put the same light bulb that I put on the driver's side. I'm gonna put it on the passenger side as well. And yes, the job is complete here. It's really easy steps, guys, and that's how you change your door panel light. All right, while I'm doing this installation on my passenger side, I just want to point something out real quick for everyone out there. If you own any other car brand, if you own a Toyota or you own a Honda or the Lexus or any other car brand out there, you can also double check your door panel and see if you can install a courtesy lamp by just looking at your door panel and see if there's a spot on your door panel that has a courtesy lamp. If it has a courtesy lamp, go ahead and take it out and see if it has a wire connector. And if you see a wire connector there, then you also can do the same thing that I did on my car. You can do it on your car as well. All you gotta do is just follow the same step I did. Go see your dealership and ask them for the part number that you need for your car, and go ahead and buy it online, which I recommend. But if you have the money to spend to the dealership, go ahead and do that as well. Whatever helps, and you can be able to do the same thing I did to my car to your car again. So if you know anybody out there who loves cars like I do, and you think they'll be really interested about doing the same thing I did on my car to their car, go ahead and share that to them and let them watch it. And hopefully a lot of people will do the same thing I did. And yes, make sure you like, subscribe to my channel, and I'm pretty sure I'll post more videos like this, guy. All right, peace.